In this video, we're going to show you how to restore faded plastic trim in seconds. It's super easy. Let's get to it. There's two ways to restore the faded plastic trim on your car. Our preferred method is to use a specialized plastic trim restorer which is fast and easy to use. The other method is by using a blowtorch or heat gun and carefully heating the plastic, which could permanently ruin your plastic trim if you're not careful. Let's start with our preferred method. Start on a freshly washed car so no dirt is stuck to the plastic. Then grab a microfiber towel and isopropyl alcohol and degrease the surface. Make sure you don't miss a spot. Now it's time to apply the product itself. First, shake the bottle vigorously before use. We'll put a link to the products we use in the description under the video, so make sure to check it out. Then put some product on a microfiber applicator sponge. Work the plastic trim restorer in so everything has an even look. Make sure you wear gloves when working with this product. Avoid skin contact and watch out for your clothes as it can permanently stain them. Try to avoid getting the product on the surrounding area. Then wipe the excess product off. Make sure you also remove any product that ended up on painted surfaces or glass around the plastic before it dries. To get long-lasting results, keep the treated area dry for at least 6 hours so the product can cure. We like to leave a tiny bit of excess product on very faded plastic like ours so it will soak in and give even longer lasting results. As you can see, it's super easy. In just a couple of minutes, you'll have all your car's plastic looking like new again. The second method is more difficult and prone to damaging plastic, but all you need is a blowtorch or heat gun. Heating the plastic brings the oils inside back to the surface, giving it a brand new look. But you have to be careful you don't overdo it and ruin the result. The plastic can become shiny, lose its texture, or even melt if you heat it too much. The trick is to keep the heat moving and restore it bit by bit. It's best to move back and forth a couple of times instead of heating the same spot too much at once and damaging it. If done right, this too will give great results. But in our experience, it will fade quicker than a quality plastic trim restorer because the trim restorer contains UV protection. But as you can see, it delivers a great result. You can achieve similar results using a heat gun, but it takes longer because it does not get as hot as a blowtorch. The advantage of a heat gun over a blowtorch is that it is safer to use, as it reduces the risk of burning the plastic. However, we generally recommend using a plastic trim restorer instead, as it is fast, safe, and easy to use while providing the longest lasting results. Just take a look at that difference, before and after. That rejuvenated plastic makes the car look like new again, and it only took a couple of minutes with the plastic trim restorer. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. We've got a lot of new stuff coming up, so stay tuned.